I just want to say that so far my experience here in Antalya with the parks are amazing for two reasons, or maybe more, but check that out. Oh wow, I never noticed the steps. When you can't tell when you're going down. But for one, they're just really nice, really clean, pretty big. I guess more than two reasons. And because it's along the Mediterranean Sea, the views are just outstanding. And kitties. Check that out. Good morning, my people. So I've been walking for about 1 hour now, trying to get to my destination today. And what incredible views. Just check that out. Amazing. So my journey to my next destination is supposed to take 1 hour and 54 minutes according to Google, but because I stopped so many times because of the incredible views. Look at that. And just sit there and just take it all in instead of just saying, I've been there, I've seen it, I did it. I like to relax and take it all in. So it's pretty amazing. I'll show you more. How about that? Right? I hope it's zoomed in right. Incredible. The water is just pristine. I don't know how well you can see it because of the sun, and I'm sure this camera or any camera, no matter how good it is, does not do it justice. I just realized that they're fishing. You have to say, here, fishy, 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 fishy. Incredible, right? Somebody down there swimming. I just don't have the lung capacity to swim like that anymore, unfortunately. And I haven't even been swimming since I've been here, but trust me, I will swim in Turkey. I will swim in the Mediterranean Sea. Absolutely incredible. So I just want to show you these. I've seen these along the cliff shore since I've been walking. And tell me they're not corn. And nobody's come here and planted them. Maybe at one time, but look at that view. Amazing. Anyways, let's get back to the corn. Tell me that's corn. I'm 100% sure that's corn. How cool is that? If I'm wrong, leave it in the comment section below. I was wrong once before in my life. It could happen again. But yeah, see, it just goes and goes. Pretty cool. I think so. Still walking, haven't made it to my destination yet. Took some breaks, sit in the park, enjoy the moment. And the scenery. Look at the mountains. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see that little guy. The other thing that I love is the fact that they built stairs to go all the way down so that people could go swimming. How cool is that? And look at them out there, I'm jealous. I think sometime today I'll end up in the water. Amazing, right? And that view just follows you everywhere. How pretty is that? Here's from another view. Amazing. The water is so clear, it's just beautiful. More incredible views. Look at that. Incredible. You just walk along the cliffside. I'm looking at a restaurant across the street because I didn't eat breakfast this morning. And I'd probably at this point been walking, I don't know, 2.5 hours. Something like that. To my journey that was only supposed to take me 2 hours. But you can't help stop and look at the views. So I think actually I'm going to go across the street and put some petrol in my tank before I run out. I see a water fountain coming up. I love those. Come on. Oh, he's a hottie. Let's see. Oh yeah, how beautiful is that? Makes you want to just go and sit in the middle. Amazing. Yeah, I think I could go across the street and fill up my tank. And I think maybe I should get some orange juice. So we will continue the journey. Okay, this is the petrol I chose. Vegetable omelet, cheddar cheese, sourdough, tea, and orange juice to come. And how you order it is you take your photo app out and up comes the menu. But I didn't have internet, so he let me use the restaurant phone, I think. But all of this for $3.50 Canadian. Pretty good. Worst sound in the world. You know why? It means it's empty. How beautiful is that? That fountain runs off like a waterfall. Absolutely stunning. Boat out in the water. One lonely rock all by himself. Gorgeous day. So I just got fueled up, so I'm ready to move on. How cool is that? Pretty cool. Just so amazing. Besides the fact that it's a nice warm day, or I could use the word hot. And it's not even 12 o'clock yet. I think we can walk down here. Oh, how cool is this? Over the big bridge. Absolutely stunning. Definitely could live here. Definitely. And from my understanding, in the winter time it doesn't snow, but it rains a lot. But that's okay. I can handle the rain. Look at the boat out in the water. And I think I see one of those old ships. I know you can't see it, but oh, there's one down there. Scuba diving. Wow. Oh, amazing. Here's from another view. Look at that. People out in the boats enjoying the day. Scuba diving. Pretty amazing. More boats out. I think I must be in the vicinity of the airport because I see a few planes come in. That's probably actually my fourth one or something. Look at the cliffs, just stunning. Absolutely amazing. And look, I can't go any further. I gotta backtrack. I don't know how well you can see this, but they're putting this red on the sidewalk where you walk. I don't know what it is. I want to say little pebbles, but it's too soft for that. It becomes soft like carpeting, which I thought it was in the beginning. But it's not. Okay, let's continue. And this is where I wanted to come because let's go down this way actually, because this is where Duden, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, maybe not, but it's where the waterfall is, and it's the Lower Waterfall. So, and the upper one is inland more. And somehow it connects, even though there's a long distance away. Check that out. Can you see that? That's one of those tour boats. Let's get a little closer and try to get ahead of it. Pretty cool. See if we can zoom that in. Yeah, that's one of the boats. You can take a tour up the coast. Pretty cool. Of course, there's another airplane. I don't know if we can see it. Oh, there we go. But let's get back to the boat. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm thinking of going on one of the rides, but not up this way, the opposite way. The coast. There's water spraying on the grass. Just got me, but actually feels quite nice. But that's pretty cool, right? Amazing. So we're finally here. So this is part of the water that comes from the other waterfall, the upper one. Connects to this one somehow. I'm not sure how that works, but and apparently you can walk on this side or that side. How beautiful is that? So let's go. We'll walk down this side to the main attraction. I think maybe we go this way. Yeah, this is the correct way. Little restaurants. Zoom it out so you can see a bit more of it. So my understanding is that this park is divided up like in sports area, which I'm probably thinking that's what that is. Rollerblades, bikes, what have you. And then it's children's playground, dog park, or dog area, exercise area. That's my understanding. So absolutely beautiful. I think you can walk down that way when you get closer to the water, but you won't see. Yeah, it looks like the children's park is over that way. It's bigger than I thought it was, which is pretty cool. And I just realized that this thing is a boat of some sort. And we got a kitty digging for gold. We're putting some gold there, burying it. But look at that. That would be excellent to go rafting in. Maybe they do that, I don't know. See all this again? Looks like corn. It's everywhere. I don't know. What do I know? I'm just here to explore. So yeah, I don't know what the... Apparently you can go around that way as well, but I'm going to keep going straight. Hopefully you don't have to pay to go in. I don't think so. You want a tea or a coffee? Orange juice? Oh look, a nice bridge. Well, that's an amazing view to sit down and eat. Nice Turkish tea. Smell the good food. I'm not hungry because I just got done eating. Yeah, it's pretty big actually. That makes me want to get a canoe. Or maybe not a canoe. I'll have that tipped over. But how nice is it, right? You can walk back up that side. But I think this side has the most stuff. He knows where he's going. Maybe he likes to swim in the water. Yeah, pretty nice. Not a lot of people here, surprisingly. Although today is Tuesday, so could be the reason why. The water's just so unbelievably clear. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera or not, but lots of things for the children, but no children. What happened to the children? Probably everybody's down here at the main attraction, the waterfall, which is one of my favorite things to see when possible. And it doesn't have to be a big grand waterfall. I just enjoy them. Sitting under a tree is what I need to do soon. Even down here, it's a pretty quiet day. Now, I don't know what kind of view I'm going to get to see the waterfall being like sort of behind it. Check that out. Beautiful. So if that's coming down from the mountains, or the other waterfall, that would be fresh water coming out into the ocean. So I wouldn't think that the water here is that salty. Look at that. Beautiful. Would definitely take you for a ride. Oh, they got some balloons here for some reason. And water coming out of here. I don't know what that's about. Some type of balloons. More of the park over that way. Yeah, it's a pretty big park. But we'll just stay on this side and see what we can see. Oh wow. Another airplane coming in. Quite a few. So let's see how this works. So this is where it comes out and it falls over. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyways, let's get back to the main attraction. Oh, look at it. I think probably I'm going to have to go over there to see a better view of it. There's a puppy dog, got some babies somewhere. Okay, let's get a different view of this. That's what we're talking about. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the people swimming over there. I'll take a walk on the other side of this waterfall, but look at that. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's go across on the other side and see what it looks like from there. Pretty amazing, huh? Okay, let's see from this side, because I see a lot of people that swim on this side, and the boats are on this side. So I'm wondering. Oh, I can't see it that well here. If I go over that way, I'm going to go down a little bit more. We will see. Pretty cool place. Absolutely amazing. Boats out in the water. Living the dream. You can't see the waterfall very well from this side, but what you can see is that boat we passed earlier, or it passed me, I should say. People out swimming. It's an all-day tour, but it goes up this coast, like going up towards I forgot the neighboring country, Syria. But I want to go down like the other coast, going towards Istanbul. But that's about all you can see of the waterfall from here, unfortunately. But we got amazing views. See right there, it's coming. But you can't really see it. There comes another plane in. Phew. Yeah, pretty cool. Think I'll hang out around here for a while. Look at the beautiful flowers. Yeah, I'll hang out around here for a while, then I know you can just keep going forever. Walk, walk, walk. But I don't know how well I got that, but anyways. But yeah, like the further you go up there, there's a beach called Lemon Beach. And I thought about going up there. It's probably another 45-minute walk, maybe. And I'm wondering why they called it Lemon Beach, because does that mean that the sand is yellow? I don't know. Does it mean there's lemon trees there? I really don't know the answer. But I'll think on it. I have the time. It's amazing, right? Beautiful. Getting cooled off in the shade. So I'm walking down on the other side now. Okay? Check. Ah, swan. Cool. I can't do tea. It's too hot. Oh, look at that. here to find me a nice shady place. I think there might be grapes to come. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you enjoyed this video. I had an amazing day. The waterfall was just fantastic, amazing, speechless. I always loved him, as I said before. So, what else? It's a long walk, longer than perhaps me, 2 hours, or almost 2 hours, but I stopped and, like I said, I like to stop in to enjoy the scenery. I just don't want to be, yeah, I've seen it, been there, done it. No, I want to take it in. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below. And make the comment down below if you have, my face is all red. If you know if those are corn plants or not. I look at them and I say yes, and then I look twice and I say, maybe not. So, stay with me on my journey to in Antalya, Turkey. I'll be here a little while longer. It's a pretty amazing place. And yeah, keep you happy. We'll see you in the next video. Look what we come across. I got some fishes in the pond. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you have a nice day.